Hi everyone, my name is Gabriel Concepcion from BSS2B. Today, I'll be talking about two types of algorithm um, that help solve real-world problems, where exact solutions are either hard to compute or too slow. So this is the approximation algorithm and the randomized algorithm. So I I'll show you some example for each. So with pseudocode. So let's proceed to real world problem. So we have a problem here. The first problem is involves cloud resources allocation. So this is about assigning virtual machine to physical server in a data center. So the goal of this is to minimize the number of active server to save cost and power. But this problem is NP hard, meaning it it really slow to find the perfect solution. So our solution to this is we solve this using a first bit approximation algorithm. For each virtual machine, we place it in the first server that has enough resources. If no server can fit it, so we create a new one. So uh, it doesn't guarantee the best result, but it's fast and practical. So as you can see here, we have a pseudocode. So function, for loop, if statement, and return. So as you can see there, so the pseudocode showing the logic of our algorithm. So we loop through each virtual machine and try to place it on the first server with enough space. So if there's no space, we create a new server. So that's all for approximation algorithm. So let's proceed to randomized algorithm. So randomized algorithm. So we have a real life problem here. So um, next is the problem from web server. Load balancing in web servers. So website can get thousands of requests per second. So we need to spread this across server to avoid overload. So but constantly checking the load of each server is slow and is expensive. So our problem is load balancing in web server, distribute user requests to avoid overload. So our solution to this is simple lang. So just randomly assign requests from any server. Over time, this balance out the load, and it's not perfect. It's not perfect, but it's fast and work well at scale. So especially in the system with many servers. So as you can see, we have also a pseudocode here. We use pseudocode. So this pseudocode naman, it shows how it works for each request. We randomly select one server from a list and send the request there. So as you can see in the pseudocode, given a list sa available server, so for each incoming request, nag-random selection ng server from a server list and assign the request to a selected server. So um, next, approximation versus randomized. So, ang approximation algorithm is good enough and fast. So, um, approximation algorithm are designed to find near optimal solution when the exact solution are too slow or hard to compute, especially in NP hard problems. So, they trade a bit accuracy for a significant boost in performance, making them perfect for large scale or real-time system. So these algorithms are widely used in areas like resource allocation, scheduling, and routing, where a good enough answer is often better than waiting hours for a perfect one. Um, randomized algorithm, scalable and simple siya. So, use random choice to make decision, which often simplifies logic and improves runtime. They are highly scalable, especially in distributed system like load balancer or large database, because require checking every option, though result may vary slightly randomized, approach work when in practice appearing a lightweight and efficient solution where deterministic algorithm might be too slow or complex. So that's all. That's all about that's all for approximation and randomized algorithm. So thank you.